What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another Cut the Rope walkthrough. Today I will be walking through level 4 on the foil box. And if you didn't know, I am actually walking through every single level on Cut the Rope, whether it be past or present, and I am linking that with a playlist at the top of the description. If you do need help on any other level, check those videos out and I will walk through a 3-star just like I am doing today. And speaking of today, I am doing level 4, so let me just hop in there and I will show you exactly what you need to do to get that 3-star rating. Hopping into level 4 here, the name of the game is manipulating the slider just perfectly. So first thing is to just get the bubble, and the first star is easy, but you just want to gradually slide it across the screen, and then carefully, as you slide it, get it with a little bit faster speed as you continue to go. You might mess up the first or second time, but eventually you'll get a feel for it of exactly what you need to do to drag it across and get it in between the spikes. Once you get the 3 stars from there, it is self-explanatory. You just cut the rope and it will float all the way up to Omnom's mouth, completing the level and giving you the 3-star rating. If you did have any questions on how to do this level though, comment down below and I will try to assist you down there. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.